Start your social media marketing agency in 2024 for free. Follow these steps. Choose a unique name for your agency. It should be captivating. Make a simple logo. If you know how to use Adobe Illustrator, then make a logo from it. Otherwise, you can use Canvas for free. Make pages or business accounts on social media and grow them organically by posting valuable content relevant to social media marketing. Be consistent. Upload 3 to 6 videos at least daily, as well as one swipe post and one normal post. You can always make content where you can offer services directly. There is nothing wrong with it, but don't do it more than 2 times a day if you don't have even 1000 plus followers. Once your organic audience has started following your agency's social handles, then you can start reaching out to influencers and businesses directly. Then you can send proposals openly. Keep in mind, if you are directly going to reach out to your prospect and you don't have even 1000 followers, then no one is going to respond to your DMs because they will think that this SMMA, also known as social media marketing agency, is offering me these services, but they don't even have 1000 followers on their own agency account. So how they are going to increase our sales and followers? First impression is always the last impression. Again, I am repeating that at least gain 1000 followers and then do your prospecting and outreach. Growing your social profiles can take up to 1 to 3 months, but it is all free. It can even take you 1 month if you are consistent with the quality and quantity.